Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.68% compared to the same day last year, at 43,772.73. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -2.60% compared to the same day last year, at 2,293.33. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -0.56% compared to the same day last year, at 231.2.
Latest news.
Merit Circle DAO's Sphere NFT marketplace to support Immutable's zkEVM network. Merit Circle DAO's Sphere NFT marketplace and tech stack will now be compatible with Immutable's zkEVM network powered by Polygon. The Beam SDK, Beam companion iOS and Android apps, and Sphere will also be compatible with both Avalanche and Immutable zkEVM. Merit Circle DAO is exploring the possibility of investing in games and studios already building with Immutable. The co-founder and chief growth officer of the Merit Circle DAO, Marco van den Heuvel, stated that blockchain technology will soon define gaming and that their user-friendly applications will be a key piece of the gaming jigsaw in the near future. Beam is not moving away from Avalanche and will continue its efforts on the Beam subnet and relationship with Avalanche. The Beam subnet currently has about 20 games building crypto integrations with the network. Yellen doesn't endorse market expectations for Fed rate cuts. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen did not endorse current market expectations for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, stating that markets can sometimes complement policymakers' actions. Yellen mentioned that markets anticipate future Fed moves based on their interpretation of incoming data, which can be helpful as a complement to monetary policy if markets are thoughtful when reading the data. The Fed is currently expected to lower borrowing costs in March and the benchmark rate is expected to fall to around 4% by the end of 2024. Morgan Stanley stock chief warns of disappointment in 2024. Mike Wilson, chief investment officer and chief U.S. equity strategist at Morgan Stanley, issues cautious outlook for stocks in 2024, warning of challenges for companies like Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, and Nvidia. He also expresses concerns about a soft landing for the economy, which might limit the Federal Reserve's ability to cut interest rates. Wilson believes that stocks are overvalued and that the market's gains this year have been concentrated among a few companies like Tesla and Nvidia. He also argues that if the Federal Reserve successfully curbs inflation without causing a recession, it will have limited scope to cut interest rates and boost stocks. Wilson dismisses the idea that an economic contraction is now less likely than it was a year ago. U.S. House Committee unanimously approves deploying American Blockchains Act. The U.S. House of Representatives has approved the Deploying American Blockchains Act, which directs the U.S. Secretary of Commerce to support blockchain technology. This is a small step forward for congressional efforts friendly to crypto, although none of the major bills has yet been approved by the overall House. The legislation directs the Commerce Chief to promote the competitiveness of the United States in relation to the deployment, use, application, and competitiveness of blockchain technology or other distributed ledger technology. The bill does not currently have a counterpart in the U.S. Senate, which is the main drawback of most crypto legislation this year. The Blockchain Association's Director of Government Relations, Ron Hammond, said that the House's support for the technology is not partisan and that these bills have either been combined into larger bills or led to agency action at Commerce, which has been open to conversation. Ethereum Foundation selects 35 recipients for Run a Node Grants Round program. The Ethereum Foundation has chosen 35 recipients from 23 countries to operate nodes as part of its Run a Node Grants Round program. The program supports various initiatives, including educational exploration, community efforts, and research endeavors, fostering diversity and innovation within the blockchain space. The recipients, including notable entities such as ETHKL, SDSU Distributed System Security Laboratory, and Franklin Del Pen Blockchain, and prestigious universities like Stanford, MIT, and the University of Champagnat in Argentina, are chosen based on their technical proficiency, commitment to running nodes for a minimum of 2 years, and geographic diversity. The Ethereum Foundation's Run a Node grants round contributes to advancing blockchain exploration, research, and community engagement on a global scale. Federal Reserve's Repo Backstop sees highest usage since 2020. Demand for a Federal Reserve facility, the Standing Repo Facility, SRF, has reached its highest level since 2020, with banks borrowing reserves at 5.56% in exchange for treasury and agency debt. The facility was reintroduced in September 2019 amid turmoil in the financial system and has been made permanent in July 2021. The SRF has been used by banks to test the liquidity backstop, but recent funding market volatility has led to a drop in demand. The Secured Overnight Financing Rate, SOFR, rose after month-end, pushing the facility to its highest level since 2020. 5 banks have been added as counterparties in the past 2 months, bringing the total to 25. BlackRock to introduce generative AI tools for enhanced productivity and client empowerment. BlackRock plans to introduce generative AI tools to clients in January next year. The financial giant aims to enhance productivity across its operations with the use of AI. The company has successfully utilized generative AI to create an auxiliary tool for its Aladdin and eFront risk management systems. BlackRock's AI initiatives extend beyond risk management, including tools for streamlining the gathering of financial and other pertinent data for research reports and investment proposals. The company is also working on developing language translation tools to overcome communication barriers and facilitate global information exchange. BlackRock's generative AI tools will not only improve productivity but also enhance capabilities and resources for its clients. Elon Musk's XAI seeks to raise $1 billion through private sale of equity. Elon Musk's XAI is working on a new chatbot named Grok, which has access to Twitter API to stay current with events. Grok is currently in beta and is only accessible to internal testers. However, a recent filing with the SEC reveals Musk has secured external investments for the product and is seeking more. Musk faced accusations of improper financial behavior and insider trading of Dogecoin earlier this year, which he dismissed as frivolous and untrue. The SEC has been finicky in recent years, and the filing aims to prevent future legal battles. The XAI assets are categorized as other technology and will be sold to raise $1 billion, with any additional investments requiring a minimum of $1 million. The private sale of XAI equity may be the final step before the product becomes publicly available. Musk has experience with AI through his time on the board of OpenAI, and Grok is expected to be a welcome addition to the growing list of AI chatbots. FaZe Banks doubles down on crypto investments and encourages followers to join. Richard FaZe Banks Benson, CEO and co-founder of Apeport's organization FaZe Clan, has shared his latest crypto purchases on Instagram, urging his 2.8 million followers to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Banks revealed that a large percentage of his net worth is in Ethereum and that he recently spent $200,000 on 4 altcoins. However, it's important for fans to be cautious when taking financial advice from influencers or celebrities they follow online, as their motivations for promoting a cryptocurrency or financial asset may not always be clear. FaZe Banks has been involved in the crypto space for years, with a wallet connected to him holding various NFTs from different collections. Despite his enthusiasm for crypto and NFTs, not all members of FaZe Clan share the same view, with FaZe Kale expressing her disinterest in NFTs and crypto. Andreessen Horowitz reveals 34 big ideas list with focus on crypto, AI, and gaming. Andreessen Horowitz has released its big ideas list for 2024, with a focus on crypto, AI, gaming, and digital security. The list includes insights from the firm's crypto arm, A16Z Crypto, and shows a shift from last year's emphasis on zero-knowledge technology. The firm's general partners have discussed the potential for crypto to democratize AI innovation, the evolution of play-to-earn games into play-and-earn experiences, and the potential for cryptographically generated passkeys to make sign-ins more secure. The firm has invested in several crypto projects, but its enthusiasm for crypto investing appears to have waned this year, with its 30 largest crypto-related fundraisers all occurring before 2025, according to funding aggregator CryptoRank. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon calls for government to shut down cryptocurrencies. Jamie Dimon, CEO of JPMorgan, has once again criticized cryptocurrencies, stating that if he were the government, he would shut them down. Senator Elizabeth Warren echoed Dimon's concerns, stating that the issue is a matter of national security. Despite his criticism of cryptocurrencies, Dimon's stance does not extend to blockchain technology. JPMorgan has utilized blockchain for several projects, including the development of JPMorgan Coin, a proprietary stablecoin that enables clients to make blockchain-based payments. The bank has projected that the token could handle as much as 2.1 billion in transactions per day. Bitcoin stabilizes at $44,000 as altcoins surge. Avalanche's AVAX and Helium lead the way. Bitcoin has stabilized at $44,000, while several altcoins have experienced significant gains. AVAX token, from Avalanche, has gained 17%, making it the leader among cryptocurrencies with a market value above 1 billion. Helium, a crypto connectivity project that migrated to Layer 1 Solana last year, has risen by 42%. Dogecoin, Doge, has increased by 11% to surpass 0.10 million for the first time since April. Analyst Craig Erlam attributes the Bitcoin rally to the prospect of an ETF approval, but thinks the ETF hype is the primary driver. BitTorrent token price doubles amid Tron blockchain optimism. BitTorrent, BTT, token's price increased by 2% on Wednesday, seemingly due to optimism surrounding the Tron blockchain, which has reached 2 million users. The price surge coincides with an uptick in the broader crypto market, with Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, F, reaching 19-month highs. BTT is issued on the Tron blockchain and has a market cap of 258 million, with a daily trading volume of 258 million. However, market depth remains relatively low, with $150,000 and $191,000 on either side of the order book.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.